Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're really digging into something we know quite a bit about here at DreamClass.
Yeah. What's that?
It's the challenge of managing multiple school campuses effectively. It's a huge task for administrators and school managers.
Oh, absolutely. It really is.
And having the right tools isn't just, a nice to have. It feels pretty essential.
Totally agree. So our mission today, I suppose, is to explore how a smart multi-branch management approach can work. Something like what we've built into DreamClass.
Right, how it can streamline operations, keep things consistent across different sites.
And yeah, really empower the leaders at each school. We've learned a lot working with different school groups, so we'll draw on that.
Okay, let's unpack that. Because if you are managing more than one campus, you know how overwhelming it can get fast, especially if you don't have a good system.
Yeah, it's like trying to herd cats through email sometimes, isn't it?
Exactly. Things get missed, information gets lost. It can be chaotic.
And that's precisely the gap we aim to fill with the multi-branch features in DreamClass. Think of it like a central dashboard.
Command center?
Kind of, yeah. A single place where you can see basically everything that's happening across all your branches. One login.
Okay, that sounds useful. But let's get specific. What are the real tangible benefits for, say, a busy principal or administrator using DreamClass for this?
Well, the biggest immediate win is just that visibility. Being able to see and manage operations across all campuses without hopping between systems or, driving all over town.
That's less running around, more overseeing.
Exactly. And flowing from that, you can standardize things much more easily.
Like what kind of things?
Oh, core processes like how you handle enrollments, maybe grading policies, or even just aligning the academic calendar so everyone's on the same page.
Ah, consistency. That's
Yeah.
huge for parents, I bet. And for the school group's overall image.
It really is. But, and this is important, centralization with DreamClass isn't about, micromanaging from the top down.
Okay, good. Because you still want your local school leaders to feel empowered, right?
Absolutely. It's
Yeah.
more about providing a solid framework.
Yeah.
You can delegate tasks easily to the staff at each branch, but you still maintain that crucial oversight. You see what's happening.
So control and delegation.
Precisely. And here's a big one, scalability. As you add more schools to your group, you just add them into DreamClass. Your central admin workload doesn't necessarily explode proportionally.
That scalability, that must be a massive relief for organizations planning to grow. Less admin pain with expansion.
It really is. And think about administrative errors. We all know they happen.
Oh, yeah. Trying to reconcile data from different spreadsheets or systems. Nightmare.
Right. So by keeping all that key data, student info, attendance, even financials in one single DreamClass system, you drastically cut down on discrepancies. Less manual checking, fewer miscommunications.
Fewer data headaches. Okay, so beyond reducing errors, how does this unified DreamClass approach boost day-to-day efficiency?
Well, unified workflows make a huge difference. Imagine sharing, say, a curriculum resource or a standard parent communication template across all schools instantly through DreamClass.
Instantly available everywhere. Nice.
Yeah. And automating routine stuff. Think fee collection reminders, attendance tracking, you can manage that centrally. Plus, the permission system is really flexible, meaning you can control exactly who sees what. You might give a principal full access to their school's data, but maybe only summary views to central office staff, or specific access for teachers. It's granular.
Got it. So if we were to quickly summarize the main wins here with DreamClass for multi-branch schools.
Okay, number one, that single dashboard for total operational oversight. You see everything.
Right.
Then much better data consistency across all your sites. Simplified user management, who gets access to what. Easier prep for compliance checks or audits because the data's all there.
Makes sense.
Huge time savings on reporting and analysis. And, crucially, better communication between the branches and the central leadership.
And you mentioned scalability. This isn't just for small groups of schools, right? DreamClass can handle larger networks.
Oh, definitely. It's designed from the ground up to scale. Whether it's 2 schools or, 20 or more, the system manages it effectively from that single point.
So what's under the hood in DreamClass that makes this all possible? What are the core features enabling this?
Well, fundamentally, DreamClass supports unlimited branches and unlimited users. There's no artificial cap.
Okay.
It uses robust ways to keep data separate where needed, but synchronized efficiently based on school or role or even region if you have that structure.
Flexible data handling.
Yeah, and it's very adaptable. We know schools have different academic structures, so there are customization options. And critically, it pulls together both the performance data, how students are doing, and the financial data into one unified view.
So you get the whole picture, academic and financial, across the whole group.
Exactly.
It really sounds like for any school group managing multiple sites, moving to a centralized system like DreamClass isn't just a nice to have, it's a kind of game changer for actually running things well.
We certainly believe so. It transforms how you operate.
Okay, any final thought for our listeners managing multiple campuses?
Yeah, just this. Think about how centralizing your school management, maybe with a tool like DreamClass, could do more than just simplify your current workload. Think about how it lays the groundwork for smarter, more scalable growth down the line.
Shifting focus.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Less time tangled up in administrative knots means more time and energy to focus on what really counts the education and success of your students.